And this is Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation. We are here at Enechi Ekuma High School in Okposi, also a local government area. One of our major aims in this empowerment program is to facilitate educational standard in schools in Ebonyi State. And that's why we are here today. We're going to be testing the students in a mathematics simultaneous equation. We're going to be giving them like two problems to solve. And the best student is going to get a cash prize from us. All right, so stay tuned. Students, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to give you just two questions. Just two questions. All right. And anybody who gets that question is going to leave here with a cash prize. So it's just a simple simultaneous equation. All right. I know that the purpose of this is to really ensure that students will read. Okay. You know, we can't really become so much if we don't study harder. Okay, so the essence of this is not just because of the cash, but to really encourage us to read. Solve this over here. 2x plus 3y equals to 8, then 5x minus 3y equals to minus 1. Minus 1. When you're solving maths like this in WAEC, all right, let's say it's a theory question. Nobody wants to know. In objective, you can just guess your answer. Well, in theory, we want to see your processes. Now, each process has a mark. That's why we mark WAEC. Each process has a mark. So in theory, we are not expecting 100% for you to get the answer, but we want to see your process. Your process shows your knowledge of what you are doing. How to solve this now? I've already finished solving this already. Don't forget that in simultaneous equation, we are looking for the value of x and the value of y. So what you do now, you are solving. You first of all solve for x, and then you substitute your result into the equation to get your y. All right? So what you are solving now is for x. So go ahead and complete it. You're almost through with this. Why? There is nothing like 0y. 0y is just nothing. So what you're supposed to do is this will cancel this. So it's just 0, empty. So you don't carry it in the equation. You just allow it to be blank. Do you understand? So basically here, there's nothing here. Well, I need somebody to come and pick it up from there. This guy has tried. Can we clap for him? Yes, we've tried. That was basically what we are supposed to have here is this 3y cancel 3y. So there's nothing there. So what you have is 2x plus 5x is 7x. So 7x equals to 8 minus 1 is 7. So what you have here is 7x equals to 7. Okay. Let me the easiest way to solve maths is to like maths. Okay, so if we have 7x equals to 7, we're looking for x. What do we do? Somebody say divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Now, what is the coefficient of x? What do you mean by coefficient? If I say 10y, what is the coefficient of y? 10. If I say 2x, what is the coefficient of x? 2. If I say 3k, what is the coefficient of k? 3. So 7x, what is the coefficient of x? So if I say divide both sides by the coefficient of x, what do I mean? 2. So I mean 7x divided by 7 equals to 7 divided by 7. All right, so this 7 will cancel 7. 7 into 7 is what? 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 X is equals to 1. Do you see it? So this guy got here. So this is 0. What you're supposed to do, this is just 7x equals to 7. You look for the coefficient of x. Divide both side by the coefficient of x. So this is what you get. We want x to stand alone. So this s, remove this coefficient, remove this coefficient, you have x standing alone equals to this and this, and that's what you have. So don't forget, simultaneous equation, we just solve for x. We are looking for also y. So simultaneous equation, the answer is supposed to be solve for x and y. Too sure? Okay. So if x is 1, what is y in that original equation? The reason why we decided to do mathematics is because once people are able to know mathematics, other subject is very easy. Because once you're able to reason logically, mathematics helps you to reason logically. It helps you to solve problems. Mathematicians are problem solvers. Do you get? All right. So come on, just come and do. If x, we have known x to be 1, then what is now the value of y? So you have to substitute. So tell us what you are doing. What are you doing? What do you want to do to get y? Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Just tell us what you want to do to get y before you start solving. Tell me. For me. Let me help you a little further. Now, we want to put x. When we say substitute, we are saying this man is standing here. This man is a boy. I am a man. Both of us are me. So in the place where I'm standing, this man can also come and stand. You can substitute him for me. If I'm not around and you need a me, he's also a me. He can stand there. So what we are saying is that x is 1. So wherever you see x, substitute it for 1. Add it there. Do you understand? That's what we are saying. So who can solve the problem from there? Who can give us what is the value of y from here now?
Because we have known x.
We have known x. Now let me show you. Where's the chalk? Let me show you now. Let me show you that this x equals to 1 is correct for these equations. This is it. X is 1, okay? Plus 3y equals to 8. When we bracket, what do we mean? 2 times 1, isn't it?
Yes.
2 plus 3y equals to
1.
equals to what? 8. So what do? You collect what?
Like this.
You collect like terms. Okay? So when you are collecting like terms, what do you do? What do you do? When you are collecting like terms, what do you do? You let everything that looks equal. Like terms mean everything that looks alike. If you want to collect like terms, 4 of us are here, right? If you want to collect like terms among us, what do? You separate the men from the women. That's like terms. Everybody, let everything that look alike stay on their own. All right? So when you say collect like term, this is 3y, this is 2. So move this 2 to this side. This is plus 2, all right? So move this plus 2. When it crosses this equal sign, becomes what? Minus. Becomes minus 2. So what you have is 3y equals to what? 8 minus, which is what? 6. So how do you get y? Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by the what?
Coefficient of y.
What is the coefficient of y?
3.
3 cancel 3.
1.
Y is equals to what? 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Y is equals to 2. So that means S is equals to 1, Y is equals to what? 2. That's simultaneous equation. Should I not give you another one to solve now? No, that's not good. You missed it here. You missed it in that first line. Come and try it, please. Let her try. Just follow what we did in the first time. It's just as simple as that. It's the same thing. It's not plus. No. Keep observing your equal sign now. Let's solve for y. That's correct. That's not correct. Can somebody want to solve for y? What should we do? Want to do take one of the equation and substitute your value of x. All right. Take one of the original equations here, either this one or this one, and substitute this value of x to get y. Don't give me x again. Wait. What should you do from here now? This is what I want to see. You have substituted the value of x, all right, into this equation. You've taken one of the equation. That's very fine. Into this one. That's very fine. See, look at where you missed it before. You went to write 28 here. You just take one of the equation. Okay? Now, we're looking for the value of y. You help me get y here. You already substituted x for 4. So just give me this, just solve this equation for me. Once you get the value of 1, the other one should be clear the brackets. What I mean is 2 times 1, then the bracket is gone. So do this to remove this bracket. That's what it means. So what should you do to clear this bracket now? This is a simple arithmetic. You see, 5 times 4. Just get this one first so that you clear this multiplication. Collect like terms. That's the next step. 19 minus 20 is what? Minus 1. So you cannot have negative y. All you just do is to divide both sides by minus 1, minus 1. So this will cancel out this. This will cancel out this. So what you have, y is equals to 1. That lady got y equals to 1, but you couldn't explain the process. All right, thank you for today. Can you clap for yourselves? On behalf of Socute Empowerment Foundation, we want to say thank you for your efforts in solving the problem on the board. And we believe that from henceforth, you continue to make more effort and improvement in mathematics. All right. So on behalf of Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation, please we'll present this to you.
Okay, Chief, this is for you. This is to encourage you to do more. Can you please step further? This is Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation. Thank you for doing what you did today.
Okay, please come. On behalf of Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation, we want to encourage you to keep studying mathematics and keep doing well. All right?
Wisdom. I want to present this to you from Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. So for the teachers, please come. One of you just come, please. Okay, come, sir. So we want to appreciate you on behalf of Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation. We want to appreciate the effort people are making. You know, it's not easy. The teachers are the molders of the society. And we appreciate the good work they are doing. So please present to them.
On behalf of Socute Benjamin Empowerment Foundation, I present this to the teacher. I want to thank you very much for imparting knowledge to the students. Honestly, thank you very much. This is to encourage you, Ma. This is to encourage you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
We appreciate. We appreciate. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you so much.
So we have been coming here since 2021. You know, we are the people who powered Opposite Youth Empowerment Summit. If you are aware, we've been having our summit in 2021, 2023 years. Yeah, you know. So we'll keep in touch. All right. Thanks for all you do. Appreciate, sir. Appreciate, mommy. Appreciate. God bless you. God bless you. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.